Awesome vinegar window cleaner from the dollar store.
Yeah, vinegar works pretty good.
Yeah, watch this.
Oh, on that battery?
Oops, I'll turn it on spray.
I'm surprised that works so well, because I would have thought that corrosion was acidic, and vinegar's acidic. But works pretty good.
Yeah. It only goes to the pot. It only collects in the
I have
positives.
some on my hands too. Yeah. All sappy from this rope.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so I guess we want to do the other side.
Yeah. The rest of that will probably be gone in, I don't know, an hour or two, I think.
Rest of what will be gone?
Rest of this corrosion.
Oh, I use those little felt washers. They work real well.
Felt washers.
Yeah, they have a red one and a